I like trying to make myself feel pretty and stay kind of on trend. But since I'm dealing with an injury, I can't always embrace every fashion trend head to toe. Instead, I focus on pieces that make it easy to feel stylish while still being practical for my lifestyle. My name's Larissa, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a few items that I've added to my existing wardrobe that are simple to clean, easy to wear, even to a doctor's appointment, and on trend for spring, summer 2025. If you're managing an illness, an injury, or even just low energy, these picks are for you. And this is not a complete closet overhaul. That is not practical and not financially attainable for most of us. Instead, I'm going to show you how a few well-chosen pieces can refresh your look while working seamlessly with what you already own. Plus, I will be sharing my thoughts on comfort and practicality. Because let's be honest, if it's not comfortable, I'm not wearing it. Let's dive in. One of the trends that I have seen a lot of and I really like are the feminine details like florals, soft silhouettes, dainty shoes. As someone who knows how important balance and comfort are, I found a few ways of incorporating this trend without sacrificing support. Instead of wearing ballet flats, which can be a little flimsy, not supportive, and not great for posture, i.e. makes my back hurt at the end of the day, I found these Mary Jane flats. They have a supportive sole and a strap to keep them securely on your foot, so no slipping or sliding out of your shoes. They come in a variety of colors, so if you want to have a bolder statement shoe, you could get them in red or dark blue. Or if you're looking to stay very conservative and feminine, you can opt for ones like these. I find that they give the same look, the same silhouette as the delicate ballet flats, but with more security. I feel stable and confident in these shoes, and they go with so many things. Jeans, skirts, they're good for a coffee date or even a dressier event. Now let's talk about florals, my favorite. A simple way to incorporate this trend is to just grab a lightweight kimono type top. I like this one because it's so versatile. You can toss it over a tank top or a t-shirt, even a flowy dress. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's flowy and flattering, and most importantly, it is easy to clean. I would like something that I can wash and wear. I do not have the capacity to be hand washing delicate silk type kimonos. This one that I found on Amazon, it is floaty, it feels nice, but it also can go in the washing machine. It comes in a variety of colors and patterns, so if you are not into this kind of a floral, if you want a bolder floral for summer, if you want bolder colors, there's a ton of options. And of course, accessories make all the difference. This crossbody bag is a great example. It works for both casual and dressy occasions. It comes with a strap, so you can wear it across your body when you're out running errands, or you can take off the strap and use it as a clutch if you're going out for coffee, if you're going out for the afternoon, you can hold on to it. It's a simple way to transition between looks without needing a million different bags. Oversized, relaxed silhouettes are everywhere right now, but there is a fine line between looking chic and looking like you're drowning in fabric. The key is balance and structure. In the past, I always heard balance a big baggy top with tight fitting like slim jeans or yoga pants, or a pair of baggy jeans with a slim fit t-shirt. It was about balance. One side could be baggy and the other side not. What we're seeing on the runways right now is baggy top, baggy bottoms, baggy all over the place. So right now it's about embracing the oversized look without disappearing in the process. I've been seeing a lot of these outfits styled with a cinched waist or with a belt tied around the waist. A belt is a quick and easy way of participating in this trend of giving outfits definition. I splurged on a new belt because bold accessories are big this season. I went for this studded belt. I think it's super cute. I could toss this on again with baggy jeans and a baggy sweatshirt. Gives me definition around my waist. You could use a belt like this on a dress. You could even tie it over a blazer. There are so many ways to use belts this year. Belts are helping us to have a little shape without sacrificing comfort. And if you are running to a ton of doctor's appointments, medical appointments, that sort of thing, comfort is key. Athleisure wear is not going anywhere, but this season it is more about looking pulled together and not, I'm on my way to the gym. Think sleek, structured pieces. Things that look kind of like sweatpants but are nice enough to wear out. These sweatpants I found on Amazon are an amazing dupe for the Lululemon scuba pants, but at a fraction of the price. These are designed to look polished. You can pair them with a crisp white tee and a structured jacket, and suddenly you're looking effortlessly stylish, as opposed to I just rolled out of bed and I'm heading straight to the gym. And to top off this sporty but polished look, I love this structured bucket tote. The pastel blue adds a nice pop of color, and it has two handle options. You can carry it like a handbag for a more feminine vibe. I have carried this while wearing this kimono top. I like them together. It can be cute and dressy. These handles can be flipped inside, or you can use the shoulder strap for a more sporty vibe. I like that both sets of handles rotate inside so that you are not having to unsnap them and re-snap so that you can switch them. You don't lose your handles. It's all attached. It's all in there. And the size of this bag is perfect. You can fit a lot in here. On days where I'm doing a lot of running around and I want to have my water bottle with me, I want to make sure that I've got my medications on hand, I need a notepad on hand, but I don't necessarily want to bring all of that stuff into the grocery store with me. I will take the little clutch, pop it into the blue bag, and then when I'm running into stores, this has my phone and my wallet in it, and this has everything else I'm going to need for the day. And there you have it. 3 easy ways to refresh your wardrobe without starting from scratch. Whether you're drawn to feminine details but want pieces that are going to be wash and wear, or you love an oversized silhouette but don't want to get lost in yards of fabric, or you just want to upgrade your sporty look, these pieces will mix effortlessly with what you already own. This video is not sponsored. I might earn a small commission if you use some of the Amazon links. It costs you nothing and I appreciate your support. But really, these are things that you could keep an eye out for if you happen to be at a thrift store, when you're out in the world. Just make sure that your kimono top is something that can go into the washing machine. Find yourself a fun, cute new belt. These are pieces that you could find anywhere. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite trend for this season. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, share, all those fun things. Comfort and confidence go hand in hand. And remember that you are not alone wanting to feel good in what you wear.